Alright, we got the trimmer. That has the white piece in it. This is what it looks like when you take off the blade. That's all you see. We got the GTX blade. We got screws. This is the mod over here. You have to take the white piece off right here. To take it off, all you have to do is unscrew the inside of here just a little. And it'll pop right off. It'll loosen up. And you tighten it again. Alright, first thing you do, put the base on. King Clipper Mods will send you screws to go along with your mod. Put those in. And you take this piece. This is the piece that goes on the cutting blade. It's gonna go on here. Snap that right in. You snap that right in. Okay, so you got that together. These two lines, this indent right here and this indent right here, are gonna be where these two things go right here. You also want to make sure it's in line with the inside right there. Alright, we're gonna screw that in. One side. It's a little tricky. You gotta sit this blade on those two prongs, as well as the thing on the inside that moves the blade. There you have it, Andis GTX blade on a Wahl detailer. Alright, now let's talk about this mod here. This is a detailer, Wahl detailer. This is the Andis GTX blade. This blade is a wonderful combination with this trimmer. It goes through hair like it's nothing, especially straight hair, Hispanic hair, the thick, straight hair that you gotta go over 50 times. With this, you don't have to go over it too many times. You can go over it a couple times and be good. Cuts through hair like butter, bro. This is the best trimmer mod I've tried. I already like the size of the detailer. It's not too big in your hand. It's pretty slim. But you add that Andis blade on there and it makes a huge difference. Not to say that the Wahl detailer blade is bad, because it's been my go-to for a really long time. I still got a pair right here that I use a lot, but this and this one makes a big difference when you're trying to line someone up and they have long hair. You go over the hair a lot less with this trimmer. Now I know I said that I don't like that style of a blade, but the JRL I've been using, so that got me in the door to start trying more things with that style blade on it. And then I went back to the GTX blade and it works very, very well. If you're lining someone up and they have bangs, barely tap it with this GTX blade, comes right off. But that also means you got to be careful, because you can't be just digging in. You don't have to dig in with this. You just tap it, it's gone. That's the end of this video. Like, subscribe, let me know what y'all want to see next. Leave a comment if you've ever bought anything from King Clipper Mods, and let me know your opinion on their products. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.